open the downloaded zip file, and run the Movie Maker setup. It is the official installer provided by Microsoft. Choose the program you want to install. That way, we will be able to customize installation. Now, uncheck everything, except Photo Gallery and Movie Maker. Click on Install, and wait for it to complete. The installer did not put a shortcut on desktop. So to run it, open Start menu, and search for Movie Maker. You can pin the Movie Maker to Start menu for easy access. Let's now open Movie Maker. And it's opened and running. And that's it. Goodbye.